Sounds crazy, but believe it or not, a female crocodile has given birth without a male partner. This is the first ever known case of virgin birth in crocodiles. This female crocodile in a zoo in Costa Rica has been living a single life for 16 years. To the utter astonishment of everyone, she laid 14 fertilized eggs. None of these eggs hatched, but one of them had a fully formed baby crocodile inside. In one of nature's extraordinary miracles, 99.9% of the baby's genes were identical to the mother's. But here's the surprise. Asexual reproduction is not in fact uncommon in nature. The phenomenon is known as parthenogenesis, and it happens in a number of animals, birds, fish, and reptiles. As far as we know, it happens when one can't find a mate or is facing extinction. Subscribe.